Now there's some names that are just imploding after hours. So this Rblx, you can see this Roblox. So revenue were way off, and I would say probably down about 30%. And I'm not really sure why these companies aren't pre-announcing bad numbers. It would just make sense and you'd have more faith in the company themselves. But what you see here is you see this trend line. I have the pre and the post data in. So you can see you're kind of boxed in here and you're breaking. I don't see any reason why this is going to bounce on these kinds of earnings. Now, what you are seeing are huge short positions and then rallies in those short positions, right? That's what you're seeing a lot of. So we saw that today with UPST. That was when we went over last night. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click all notifications, because what we go over here is really timely. And if you're interested in what's moving in the market, you're probably not going to find someone that's more timely than this channel, in my opinion, as far as specifics. But you see how you ran up to here and then you reversed, right? So if you start drilling down into that, you can see exactly what transpired and how fast something like that happens. So let's just get into it. So you can just see, I mean, it's literally less than a minute before it reverses right on a specific level and breaks. And that was the end of it. You know, it looked like it was going to break here off the open, and then it just exploded up, and then that was it. So that was definitely something that made sense. You rallied up, you came all the way back down, you hit right here, fails, tries to come back down, right? And then you go from there. So I would say that you could get a shot at this rallying tomorrow and then be able to get a trade off. And I think that's very possible. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.